Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on my channel, and today I'm playing Halo Infinite, and oh my god, it's not loading. We're seeing 3 dots up there and it's loading forever. So this is the Halo Insider Edition, and if you are facing the same issue, here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna go to Task Manager, so Control Shift Escape. You'll see game release.exe, dump tool.exe, and this task. Okay, and after that go back to the game and wait a few seconds. Okay, so here it is. The game has started. It's loading. You're gonna have to log in and you're good to go. And see you later.